Kai and Luna loving each other. Never mind, they're just playing now. Luna! Luna! Look at you.
What do you stand? Well, they're worthless in court if that's what you're asking.
I'm not too worried about prosecuting. Yeah, but
So, girl.
you legitimize the bugging, right?
A tiny girl playing with me. Tiny girl, say hi. Ow, ow. Ow! Scratch me. A tiny girl playing with me. Tiny girl, say hi. Ow, ow. Ow! Scratch me. Oh my god, guys. So my mom's fostering this cat, and she just had her. Hey. Oh, the babies, they're sleeping and they're crawling. Oh, hi. You want to say hi? All right. Say goodbye. These guys are going to get some good homes tomorrow. Bye, Maddie. I love you. Bye, my lovey. I love you. You're going to get a good home. And hi, my love. You're going to get a good home tomorrow. I'm going to miss you. You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute.